This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Okay, what's the matter?
Please, my lords.
Acha, what's the problem?
My lord,
Why you are so
allegedly on 7th of May,
Yes.
as a student, when the Operation Sindoor started between India and Pakistan, there was on social media a war of words, allegedly by various people, my lords, across the border. In one of the rants, it is alleged that while replying that we are delusional, there is no proof why we are fighting Pakistan, why we are blaming Pakistan. So this girl allegedly had a post in reply to that, where it is alleged that she has said something beyond replying that we are not children of Mahatma and all. She is alleged to have said that you must be delusional. Your Nabi must be delusional when you are talking. Delusional. My lord, there is nothing otherwise alleged. Please see the FIR, and we'll start by the, my lords, how they go about it, my lords. Please see the FIR, and that FIR is on page, my lords, 18. Does it disclose an offense? That is the issue, my lords. My lord, the complaint is on page 19, and I'll read it. To officer in charge, Garden Reach Police Station. Subject, demand to register FIR against one resident of Kolkata named Sharmishta Panoli under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by insulting Holy Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. Respected sir, this letter is to draw your attention that one lady named Sharmishta Panoli, resident of Kolkata, likely from Urbana NRI Complex, Kolkata, and pursuing law from Symbiosis School of Law, Pune, has made blasphemous comment on the Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. This kind of act brings disharmony, unjust, unrest in the society, and as a resident of Kolkata city, we will not tolerate such kind of blasphemy against our Prophet in our city. We demand to register FIR, action against her under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by publishing blasphemous content against the Prophet of Islam on X, formerly Twitter, and on Instagram, which is being viral on social media around 4 p.m., 14/5/2025. We are attaching the link for the video in which one lady, Sharmishta Panoli, has blasphemically commented on Prophet of Islam with a dirty mouth in which she abuses the Holy Prophet and try to bring disharmony, unrest, and communal dispute around the country. Thus, we demand strict action against such hate monger as soon as possible from Kolkata police to maintain peace and harmony in our city, around the country. Such kind of blasphemy are completely intolerable by Muslims, and we will not rest until strict action has been taken against such hate monger. Hope Kolkata police will do their best to bring justice and maintain peace. My lord, I ask a question to myself. Where is that content which says, they are saying, I made blasphemous comments? What is that? Today, as we read this, it does not disclose a cognizable offense which they have registered. Now, please see, this is registered on 15/5, and that is important. 15th of May, this FIR has been registered. On 17th of May, they take warrants of arrest against me, my lords. Warrants of arrest has been taken, my lords, saying that I am not available in my house, and because this is punishable with 3 years at best. So they say they can't arrest. They have to give notice
35B.
under 35B, erstwhile 41A. But instead of that, they say we went there and they were not there. They're absconding, their phones are switched off, and therefore obtains a warrant of arrest. Now, my lord, there are two things. Parallelly, on 15th, I am before the police station with my complaint saying that I am under acute threat I am also seeking an apology for whatever was sent. That post was taken off on the 8th May itself, after making it on 7th night. The question today is, my lords, twofold. The law gives me protection, and that protection is, first, you have to register a case only if it, my lords, the contents of the complaint, my lords, show commission of a cognizable offense. This FIR does not have any content. So now I am left with something called a video, a link. My lord, that is why a provision of inquiry is there. First of all, you have to see the link as it is. If it provides that there is, then you will, my lord, ask whether it is. Two questions will be asked. Is it tempered? Is it original? And how it is? Nothing has been done. And warrant of arrest has been obtained. On 15th, 16th, 17th, there is a crowd in front of my house. There is a threat, and I've attached, my lords, right from sexually explicit, my lords, photographs of my daughter, of this girl. Also, my lords, the threat of beheading her, the threats of rape, all they were there. My house was found to be, my lord, attached with this thing that I live here. I study in such and such place. This is my father. My father's photograph is also there. So, my lords, we go to the police station on 15th, 16th, 17th, all 3 days. We are asking for protection and security. And, my lords, when it is not given till 19th, we are every day going to the police station. My father is going to the police station every day. And on 19th, when there was a crowd in front of my house at 10 o'clock in the night, my lords, that is the time, my lords, the family decides that now a crowd is assembling, the threat perception is increasing now because it has reached the doorstep. My lords, my father takes the family to Delhi, my lords, Gurugram, the Gurgaon, my lords, earlier. And they are there for some time till the time the threat perception is answered. My lord, because threat perception is continuing. So the phones were switched off because dirty messages, threats are time and again coming. There was a scare. So the question is, my lords, please see what needs to be done at that time. They have to show to the court while taking arrest why I was not there. My phones were available on 17th. It could be ascertained. I am there in my house. It can be ascertained. I left this place on 20th. The warrant of arrest was obtained on this. So, my lord, we'll have to see two things. Whether the registration of the case was proper, number one. Whether my warrant of arrest was taken as per law, disclosing, my lord's, facts, otherwise which are right. What is the offense against me? Am I a terrorist? Why are they witch hunting? They go all over the country, my lord. They raid everywhere. I do not know. Now I'm coming to know that they have been raiding after this. Whereas I'm here till 20th. So they go, my lord, arrest me by using that technical surveillance. They can do that everywhere. But not one action has been taken on my complaints, on security, on my threat perception, on those, my lord, grave threats which are offense beyond 7 years. Then, my lord, the complainant, I will show that, my lord. I'm giving a summary. We are
in a hearing stage or motion stage in some cases. I don't understand.
Now, what do you want
I want, my lord,
court?
On my three things, my lord. One,
Yes.
There should be, this should be quashed. My arrest should be declared in a writ petition as illegal, and I should be granted bail forthwith without any conditions, my lords. That is what
You are in custody for 2 days.
My lords, I'm in custody. Even if I'm in custody for 1 hour, the custody itself is illegal. And my lords will have to protect me. And that is
They have arrested in connection with a case.
Yes. My lord, but then case is about 3 years.
Arrested in connection with a case. Yes. Arrest without in connection with a case is illegal.
Very well. And the
Ah,
registration
You
is
at best can say that they have not issued any notice under 35(3)
Yes,
now.
B, 35.
35B. 35B earlier 41A.
Yes, my lord.
They have not issued any notice.
I have not received, my lords. What they do is, my lords, they obtain a warrant of arrest saying we served these notices, and it is only during the arguments we come to know.
Yeah, Mr. Banerjee, we will be able to produce the CD or anything.
I'm led by Mr. Bandyopadhyay in this matter, Lord.
Mr.
He's on virtual
Banerjee,
Lord, CD is not available. Possibly, just let me tell you, your lords, the case is this. Lord, this is a case
If I can complete, or I can
under section 196. No. This continuity is not. It's not a hearing. This is not a case
No,
under
I am
section
seeking my
196.
lord's permission.
My
I'm
lord,
not seeking my
yes,
rent.
my lord has asked me
Whether I
to.
have to
My lord has asked me. What
Whether-
is this? My lord has asked me. Don't show
No,
this
no.
posture.
No.
Mr.
Why I am
Counsel,
saying
don't show this
that
posture.
to court is to look into the material
Lord may
which
grant
have been
me-
collected by the investigating authorities so far,
So as it
and
is,
on the basis of such.
my lord,
But the state is not in a position to produce the same.
so my lord, I am seeking exactly that, and that is, I am before my lord. My lord is to grant me protection. The Supreme Court, in a number of cases, and I have brought the compilation. In all these similar circumstances, they say on the first date, even if state is not there, they say grant ad interim bail, and then we can continue. I'm only seeking an interim bail. I can't be put into custody as a student, my lords. A girl student with all those, my lords. In that kind of circumstances, she is my lord, she has a ADHD problem,
She has?
attention deficit, my lord. She gets impulsive. She gets, my lord. There's a problem, and staying in jail is creating a problem, my lords. For her, she has a kidney, my lord, disease she's carrying. All I'm trying to say is,
Yes, Mr.
I'm only seeking.
Madam, can I submit?
Yes. Yes.
I'm not running away.
Yes.
Can I
Yes,
submit?
Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
Madam, kindly see, a case was initiated under section 196, subsection 1A,
Yes.
then 299,
Yes.
352,
Yes.
353, 1C,
Yes.
because of her ex-handle posting with a video, Madam, hurting the religious faith. Then, when this complaint has been lodged, Lord, it discloses a cognizable offense. FIR discloses itself is a cognizable offense. When this offense, Lord, it was done, notice was sought to be served under section 353 BNSS 2023 and 94 BNSS. First notice served, then section 94, she was called upon the steps were made for service. Then, my lord, with the assistance of the Anandapur police station case, and on both the 2 days, including 21st May 2025, however, the accused person or any of her family members could not be found there, and the flat was under lock and key, so the notice could not be served. Attempts were made. Then the warrant was issued by the appropriate magistrate. They whole family, the lady fled away. She was arrested from the Gurugram. She was produced before the appropriate magistrate. Transit remand was given for 3 days. Then she was produced before the magistrate. Bail petition was moved and was rejected
By the magistrate.
by the magistrate. Now if they only ask for FIR setting aside, etc., that is a subject to hearing. We have to file affidavit. We have to tell this.
Now,
is not this.
whether there is any requirement to keep this student in custody any further.
Yes, this has been. Who will decide it? Once a matter is set in motion in the criminal court, how they can come into the writ court? They could have filed an application, bail application. How they can come into the writ court?
And how many cases has been registered against him? You are saying
I don't know
Anandapur case.
exactly. We
I
have
am saying Garden Ditch case.
and this is it.
Huh?
This is in connection with the Garden Ditch.
He was arrested. First case, which was the first case?
Garden Reach, my lord.
That is
Garden
it.
Ditch.
Garden Ditch was first case.
Yes, my
Madam, all the cases can be.
Cases has been registered.
Line by line, same, my lords. Word by
Madam,
word, same.
Madam, kindly hear. Kindly hear.
My lord is
Yes,
asking the state. My learned senior will give answer. But if interruption is in such a way, then it is very impossible to.
Okay, do one thing. It is vacation bench.
Yes.
You produce the CD and Saransa before the on 5th, before the next vacation bench, because of the fact material collected by the
My lord.
investigating
Yeah, at
authority
this initial stage.
I am only on
today just. So I am just passing an order
My lords, please.
that this Garden Ditch case, PS case, shall be treated as a principal case,
My lord.
and the other case will
My
not
lord,
be
I
investigated.
want to show something, my lords. My lords
Just
cannot
kindly hear me,
continue
my lord. Kindly
to make
hear
tension
me.
even for a day, and I will
My
show
lord,
that.
kindly hear me. My lord,
Not
kindly
even
just
for a
hear me.
day.
My lord, kindly.
That is
Will your
the
lordship-
essence of law is.
will your lordships kindly
Cannot-
hear me, my lord.
Even for a day.
My learned senior.
Let me
Well,
show
I
you.
want
learned
to-
Why are
senior
you
is.
afraid?
Okay.
But if he is.
My lord, kindly hear me.
Mr. Banerjee, both Mr. Banerjee.
My
Lord,
learned
kindly
senior.
hear me.
Why arrest
Hear
is illegal? Here, Learned Council, why arrest is illegal?
Yes, my lord.
They have not issued notice under section 35B.
My lords, please see.
But Mr. Banerjee has stated that such notice was issued.
Yes.
Lords, can I only
Issued
say
a question
something?
of fact.
Yes.
Now, whatever inquiry will be done, Three things are there, and that is undeniable. Today, the effort is that we will show, only to delay something that is so sacrosanct to me, and that is liberty. It is only to delay my liberty. They are saying we will show, we will do this.
Day after tomorrow,
My
heaven
lord,
will not fall.
why even-
Only 2
My lord,
days.
this girl has suffered in these 2 days so badly. Please understand what she is going through. And I'm showing something, my lord. Please see.
She should have remembered when the extended post was made.
Arrest me more.
lower court order ta
He
করলাম
should
না
have.
Is it in conformity?
lower
with
court
the law?
order ta দেবো করলাম না
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Give the
Not
give the
after
give the
this,
Lower court
not
give
even
the
a-
magistrate's order. Please give the magistrate order. Suppose তুইও চাচা না ও একা
Not
চাচাবে
matter, my lord. Like a
It is
magistrate.
warrant,
Suppose
warrant.
I am before my lords, and my lord,
তুইও চাচা ওকে একা
my lord
চাচাবে
will not
নাকি?
be guided by a magistrate.
হ্যাঁ,
my learned senior friend but forget not the judicial discipline
judicial discipline.
and they are not the judge
I understand.
my lord is
Yes.
judge
My friends don't understand the
we have understand and
judicial conscience
you
itself.
want to
You are
give
coming from the moon. That is the
jumping and
reason.
humping
You are coming from the moon. That is the reason you understand more than anyone.
What is your good name, please?
I'm DP Singh, my lords.
So it would be better.
So, my lord.
I am asking. You will not. You will go.
No, my lord.
You have come before the vacation match. Okay, we know. I am asking them to treat this a Garden Ditch such and such PS case such and such would be treated as a
case.
principal case,
I-
and no other case they will shall proceed, and state will ensure.
I'm so obliged. my lord.
State will ensure so that no further FIR is registered on the same set of allegation.
My lord,
Okay,
May-
state
I am not on
Madam,
that.
may I suggest?
and Mr.
Excuse me,
Sen,
sir.
court is want to see the CD
So, my lord,
or the material collected by the state is in investigating
So,
ends of the
my
state,
learned senior
and
friend
then to
My lord, can I submit? Can
my
I
learned
submit?
senior lord
My
wants to
lord,
say
can I
something
submit?
allow me to say.
My lord,
something.
your lordship is not hearing me.
Yes.
No. Since I am in a virtually, your lordship is not hearing me, my lord.
Yes.
My unfortunate.
Yes.
I am not in a position
I
to
should
sound
have
like
got the
a
occasion to see you.
Madam, can you see?
You have not chosen. You have chosen not to come.
No, you have not given the.
For me.
I am not the privilege. I don't have the privilege to appear before your lordship.
Yes.
Now, madam, kindly see what I am suggesting. Garden Ditch police station case would be lead case, and all the FIRs will be tagged in this case.
No, that would be considered at the time of final hearing. Now all the investigation or further proceedings of all case will be stayed,
Excepting Garden Ditch.
excepting Garden Ditch. Okay, so that would be the principal case. All the other case will be stayed, and state will ensure so that no further FIR is registered on the self-same set of action. And Mr. Same, let them come with the CD. Let them come. You move it.
They have to
Only one
Or
thing.
move it in three.
Only one thing, my lords. I'm for it.
If they
I'm
don't
sorry.
issue any notice
I have-
under 35B
My lord,
and yet arrest you in connection with garden deed, the appropriate order shall be passed.
On the next day.
my lords, it will take less time if my lords will give me 2-3 minutes.
Yes.
Now, my lords and my friends will bear with me.
Yes.
One thing
I'm always behind.
I'm saying, I'm asking, my prayer today is, in view of whatever the law has been laid down by Supreme Court of India, not by us, my lords, and we are bound by it, is ad interim bail can be given even if they are not there. Only if I would have come, my lords, and this view, that is the first instance. They are here only if my lords feel they have been called, because today, I'm the petitioner before this court, and it is if I can make out a case without any indulgence from the other side, without any clarification from the other side, then my lords can pass any interim order that feels or that is justified in law.
Vehemently opposing this.
My
That
lord, can they, my lords?
Okay.
I can,
Okay.
Can I be
Order,
allowed?
if situation so demands, even order shall be passed, but let the state come with the material.
What is seeking from the
Only your
material on
petition. Except your petition, nothing is before the court.
I'm showing, my lords.
Even what statement has been made, it is not also before the
My
court.
lords, I'm showing something. I can show 3 things, my lords. I can show 3 things.
In a vacation, my lord, not in a regular court.
My lord, I can show 3 things
We are in a vacation bench. But
Sufficient.
then I can show
Oh, my
100
lord.
cases.
to exercise this discretion of granting me ad interim bail forthwith. That is number 1.
Yes.
That is number 1. My lords, please see the FIR of 15th. I have said, and my lord may read it, it does not disclose any offense whatsoever, my lord. It does not say what are the contents. It only says blasphemous. Will it, my lords, make it a cognizable offense? It does not, my lord, with due respect, my lords. 2, they obtain, on the 3rd day itself, 15th it is registered, 17th they take a warrant of arrest, saying that I'm not there. They served the 35B, but I was not there. So, my lords, issue the warrant of arrest. 2 questions which will arise without any notice from anybody. 1, what did you do in that one day to arrive at such that they can't go back? And within one day, the court will grant, my lords, a warrant of arrest. 2, I am, and I'm showing it, they are part of the case. Diary, please see. I am before the police in this area. I would not know, my lords, which FIR, which police station in West Bengal have registered a case. I will go for my security to my lord, police station. I went to cyber police station. I went to my police station where my jurisdiction is.
Father of the girl.
Yes, my lords. Girl also goes. Girl and the father both go.
Page 36.
Both going to the police station.
My lord. She signs.
Kindly see that.
Page 36.
Yes.
36. 36.
33.
36. Got it.
Yes.
Now see 35. They have started a case.
Please see.
This case was started. 15.
Based on your application complaint.
Yes, my lords. It is my application.
And
And I am saying, my lords, please see on the next page. And please see, my lords, if my lords will see the pages on 37 and 38. This was I was confronted with. Please see 37 and 38.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee, they are seeking interim bail. They are
No,
saying
I am opposing.
that they will cooperate with
No,
investigation.
I am opposing. I am opposing, my lord.
Day before yes.
Your lordship, then hear me, this types of dramatic argument will be done. You can hear me?
Okay, move it.
So please, let's see.
Tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
They have that tomorrow.
Dramatic
Let's see
argument.
what Supreme Court says. My lord, let's
These are
see
all
what
dramatic
says.
argument.
The laws, a
Please, let's see
student
what
of law,
My lord, let's
I have many matters.
Sir, just one.
You have taken much more time from vacation. Acha, they are not cloth medicine. What they are saying? Acha, in the meantime, acha, the jail authority shall ensure so that all sorts of basic amenities,
they have made this allegation.
acha, basic amenities is ensured. Under the why is it shouting? Under the jail code, she'll have a protection.
Your Lordships, kindly, my lord, I have not heard the order. Would your Lordships kindly just tell me the order? My lord, I have not heard the order.
Okay, yeah.
My lord, we'll hear Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
Okay, Mr. Sen, you know very well, better than me, that he is now under custody of the learned CGM.
So, my lord, my lord.
If you made application before the CGM,
Oh, my lord, I am saying something.
CGM Alipur.
Where the matter is pending.
Even
The High Court has been
in
reading.
the transit remand, it was said.
Oh, they have already made their application. I am told. They
Ah.
have already made their application for all those things. What my learned senior friend is saying.
Okay, so you ensure so that he can
Not
get
even
essential
say, that
medicine.
itself is a
My lord,
very-
kindly, my lord,
Not say.
As a jail authority
Okay,
shall
Lord,
also ensure so
Mr.
that
Bandyopadhyay,
essential
will hear
medicine
Mr.
are
Bandyopadhyay.
supplied.
my lord, would your Lordships kindly see?
Okay, jail authority shall
My
ensure.
Lord, you will kindly hear Mr.
My lord, kindly just hear me, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly hear me. Kindly do not pass the order on the basis of his statement. I am telling your Lordships, all facilities provided under law will be provided to him. Do not pass the order because he is making an allegation.
Then this is
Since Mr. Banerjee, senior advocate appearing for the state, has submitted that all the facilities available to the inmates of the custody will also be made available to the petitioner.
my lord, if they are not giving
And all allegations made by him are denied. All allegations are denied.
is this human rights? I'm on law, my lord. This is not even human rights. I'm asking.
Don't say all this.
Okay, they are claiming that their time
It's human rights.
yes,
I am so astonished, my lord.
supply,
Appalled.
but your jail authority is not allowing.
No. Jail authority has to, one has to wear all the clothes which are in accordance with law sanction. She cannot bring the foreign dresses for her. No.
Okay, since Mr. Banerjee has taken,
When I am
You
saying
will not allow me to take my clothes.
don't say.
I have a
Don't
fresh
say.
piece of clothes.
Don't say all this.
coming.
I will, my lord, take strict objection of
Okay,
it.
reserve your energy for another case. Okay.
This is not done, my lord.
Okay.
This is against human rights.
Recess.
Even
Enjoy the recess.
my lord, a terrorist would be entitled to this one.